Now, let me show you something. That's why I try to teach the uppercut with body. So, to initiate, let's say we're moving forward. This is my target, moving forward. So, it's important, if you see, number one, I put my body weight in my left, but if I do that without right step, so maybe I can hit, but after that I cannot have counter because I already off balance. So always whatever you do in boxing, in overactivity, you have to keep your body balance. Because if you get off balance, maybe because of your talent, you can hit, or even you can defend. But one thing for sure, you cannot counter. Because between attack, defense, and counter must be a link. And then you can have boxing. So let's go to the left uppercut to body, okay? With the step forward. You saw my rotation. I put my right shoulder forward. I sit in my, so in the time I hit, forward, boom. One more time, because it's very important. Forward. Okay? So before we doing the rotation, we need to give a step to bring all your body weight behind your punch. Let me show you the same uppercut, but to head. The bend of the knee is much less than when you go to the body, because here is when you bring your level up and down, the bend of your knee. How you bend your knee to the body, but the head is less. So the same thing, forward. I need to do a prior move. Bang. Bang. Okay, backward. Bang. Backward. Bang. Bang. Okay, now I like to move to the left side. Pop. Pop. Right side. Hop. Hop. Okay? Forward. Forward. Side. 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 Backward. Pop. 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 So we have the uppercut, left uppercut. Right uppercut will be the same. Same rotation. Same prior move before you hit. So I say always the uppercut is always, I classify the uppercut as for countering. In counter and counter. Uppercut can do in counter when you throw the uppercut at the same time the opponent throw any punch. And counter, you do prior move, defensive move to counter in the punch. And it's very important always to keep your head offline. Okay? And then let's go to the right uppercut to the body. So we if you see, we bring in up, forward, 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 backward, bang, bang, over, left side, same right uppercut, up, down, up, down. So that way, we already touch straight punch with the step, forward, backward, side to side, hook, left and right, forward, backward, side to side, uppercut, left and right, back, forward, backward, left, side to side. Combination the left, straight with hook, we did. Now, I try to show to you a very simple. It's depend, because when we're talking about combination, this is the strategic we building up during the training. I like to talk about professional, no? In professional, we will have only one opponent. So, one of the trainer duty is to check and make the homework about the next opponent. And what is the combination, or what is the punch you have to use, where you have to fight in the different part of the ring. So it's a great structure we create for a strategic. So I like to show to you guys one very clear example of one combination, very useful as well, with the straight, hook, and uppercut, okay, with the left hand fast, and then I will try to show to you guys with the right side, forward, backward, whatever you want. So, let's say combination straight jab. Everything starts from jab. Straight jab, hook, uppercut. Let's say, I don't like to move, but look my rotation. How put him down, pop. Now with the step, jab, hook, sit, boom. Jab, hook, sit, boom. So if you see what I mean, how the 1 and 2, the jab and hook, is a setting up. The final destination will be the body shot, the left uppercut to the body. But one thing I'd like everyone to know, remember we hitting a moving target. So let's say, if we not teach our fighter to connect the stepping, the movement with the punch, when he can, it's happened with many good fighters. They have to face someone who move, and it's difficult to hit. Because in their case, I try to teach my fighter how to punch, how to setting up your punch before you hit the target. So, let me show you the same thing. Jab, sit, pan, this is another one. Jab, sit, pa, same way, pa, pe, same way, same way, oh. So, can happen. We are always always changing situation, depend of the opponent. So it's a very, like I said, very simple combination. But if we can teach those combinations together with the step, we'll be success. For example, let's say that you have an opposite side. You are, the guy is the hunter, try to tell you, but you can punch with the step back. 1, 2, pop, and move. 1, 2, pop, and move. Or vice versa. 1, 2, huh. So only left hand. Very basic. It's combination, straight, hook, and uppercut in 4 direction. Another very simple combination. We normally say 1, 2, hook, okay? But we're talking about stepping punch. 1, 2, hook, and recover. Back, 1, 2, hook, recover. 1, 2, hook. 1, 2, hook. And so, another combination. Another easy combination. 1, 2 with the uppercut. With more movement. In professional, we're using a lot this. Just the first 2 punches is setting up. Try to get close to your opponent, to the main target. So, let's say, I'm moving forward. The guy going there. 1, 2, uppercut. 1, 2, uppercut. Oh, I can do 1, 2, uppercut, hook, down. And pam, ping, hey, ping, pam, pam, pam. Ping, So, that way, you link a punch, offensive punch, with a step, and it will help you to get and to be up to date for any change during the fight. Okay? Thank you.